Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's do it and let's take a look at the camera actually. I hope that you can see these diagonal lines. I've applied them previously because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So right now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this icon, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom. As you can see here, we've got restore to defaults, so let's tap on it and let's tap on restore to defaults again. And I know actually everything looks like nothing happened, but after getting back to the camera you can see that the diagonal lines, the helper lines, simply disappeared. So it means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Realme 8 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.